Alright, here we are putting new trunnion bushings and new bolts and all on my old Mack truck. Anybody that's ever done this before knows that these bolts have to be tightened up anywhere from 5 to 800 foot-pounds. And it takes a little bit of time to do it. And when you get older, it's just not that easy to be able to pull without hurting your back or being sore when you wake up in the morning. So me and my son has come up with a way to do this and not wake up in the morning sore. So here we are. We got our ratchet on there. Got about 5-6 foot of cheetah bar. Got our strap hooked, and we're gonna use this old lawnmower we've converted over to a little mini tractor to do all the work. So here we go.